Hey there friends, I'm Josh, and today I'm here to steer you through the exciting journey of setting up an LLC in the beautiful state of Oregon. Are you buzzing with groundbreaking ideas and ready to etch your mark in the business world? Well, you're exactly where you need to be. Together, we'll navigate each step of the LLC formation, translating complex procedures into simple, actionable tasks. Arm yourself with go-to productivity tools and let's set the stage for your business success story. Before we wade into the nuts and bolts of LLC formation, let's pause and consider an important choice: the DIY route of forming an LLC on your own, or the supportive path of employing an LLC formation service. For newcomers or those looking for a guided experience, an LLC formation service is a gem, smoothing out the process entirely and ensuring your business complies with Oregon's rules. And also it gives you that comforting sense of security. Additionally, it's quite the budget-friendly option. So, are you intrigued? Take a look at the video description below where you'll find a link to a well-regarded LLC formation service ready to kickstart your journey with little financial fuss. All set? Fantastic. Let's proceed with the details on how to start an LLC in the Beaver State. Step 1. Name your Oregon LLC. Embarking on the entrepreneurial journey and starting your own business is an exciting move. The initial and crucial step involves picking a name though. This isn't just any ordinary name, but one that really embodies your brand's identity and is also super memorable to your customer base. Think of your business name as more than just a tag on a t-shirt. It's the initial handshake with your audience. In Oregon, ensure your chosen name is distinct and concludes with LLC, L.L.C. or Limited Liability Company. Already have a few names up here in mind? Well, excellent. Your next action now is to verify if they're available. You can do this by visiting the Oregon Secretary of State's website. For your convenience, we've provided a link in the video description below. Once you've settled on the perfect name, act swiftly to secure it online or through mail. This might incur a small fee, but consider it a foundational investment in your business venture. Step 2. Select a registered agent. In Oregon, every LLC must appoint a registered agent. Think of them as your business's official representative, there to really catch all the important information, legal documents, tax notices, and other official correspondence. They're really your front line in staying compliant with state laws. So who can be a registered agent for your LLC? Good news, you as an LLC member can take on this role, or an individual who is not a member or a professional agency can also serve as the registered agent for your LLC. They must be 18 years or older, have a physical address in Oregon, be available during regular business hours, and if it's a business entity, it must be registered to operate in Oregon. Choosing the right registered agent is crucial. They ensure you never miss important information and help keep your business in compliance with the law. Need help finding one? Then don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out the link in the video description below for a list of the very best registered agent services right here in Oregon. Step 3. Determine your management structure. The world of LLCs has two main management styles. The former is member managed and the latter is manager managed. Think of it as choosing between a hands-on DIY project or hiring a contractor. In a member-managed LLC, it's all about teamwork. The members, that's you, and your co-partners, roll up your sleeves and manage the day-to-day operations. It's perfect for smaller crews where everyone wants a say in how things are run. Then there's the manager-managed LLC. This is where you bring in the pros, the non-member employees or managers, to really handle the day-to-day operations. It's like having a dedicated captain for your ship. And yes, a member can also be a manager, but they'll need to collaborate with at least one non-member manager. Small team with everyone involved, the member managed might just be your jam. Larger group with some preferring to stay in the background, then the manager managed could just be your best bet. In Oregon, your LLC is automatically member managed unless you specify otherwise in your articles of organization. So think carefully about what works best for your business. Step 4. File articles of organization with Oregon Secretary of State. Now we're getting to the exciting part, making your LLC official in Oregon. This is done by filing the Articles of Organization with the Oregon Secretary of State. This document is the cornerstone of your LLC, providing the state with essential information about your business. In your Articles of Organization, you'll need to include vital details such as the name of your LLC, its principal office address, and the name and address of your registered agent in Oregon. This document is more than just paperwork. It's the formal recognition of your business's structure and existence. You can file the Articles of Organization online or by mail. The Oregon Secretary of State's website does provide an online filing option, which is often the most fastest and convenient method. The filing fee for the Articles of Organization must be paid at the time of submission, so bear this in mind. Once you've filed your Articles of Organization and they're approved, your LLC will be officially recognized by the state of Oregon. It's a moment to really celebrate. Your business idea is now a legally recognized entity ready to operate and grow. Step 5. Draft an LLC operating agreement. The next step is to create an operating agreement. Think of this operating agreement as the rulebook for your LLC. It's where you outline who does what, who gets what, and how decisions are made. Now, while Oregon doesn't require you to have one, trust me, you'll want one. It's like having a game plan for your business. Even if you're flying solo in your LLC, an operating agreement can be your legal safeguard, clarifying your operations and protecting your own interests. Need help getting started with it? Well, we've got you covered once again. Check out our free operating agreement template in the video description. It's a great starting point, but remember, no one size all fits in business. You need to really tweak it and vary it to fit your unique situation. Step 6. Get an employer identification number. Now it's time to get your business its own identity in the eyes of the IRS. That's right, we're talking about getting an employer identification number, or EIN. Now, the EIN is a unique identifier the IRS uses for everything tax related for your business. Whether it's filing taxes, opening up a new bank account, or handling payroll, your EIN is your go-to number. So how do you get this number? Well, it's simple and actually free. Head over to the IRS website and just apply for it. It's very straightforward and an online process. Step 7. Obtain business licenses and permits. Your business needs its own set of licenses to legally operate. These licenses vary depending on your location, the type of business you're running, and the services in which you offer. Now, navigating the world of business licenses might sound like a daunting task, I know, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as it first seems. You'll need to check with your local and state government in Oregon to see what specific licenses and permits your LLC actually requires. These can range from a general business license to more specific permits like health licenses for restaurants or zoning permits if you're operating from a physical location. Don't forget to check the video description below for a link to a comprehensive guide on how to obtain business licenses in Oregon. Step 8. Choose your tax status. An LLC offers flexibility in how you can be taxed, and this decision can significantly impact your finances. You can choose to be taxed as a default LLC, a C corporation, or An S corporation. By default, LLCs are considered disregarded entities for tax purposes. This means the business itself doesn't pay taxes. Instead, the profits and losses pass through to your personal tax return. It's straightforward and often beneficial for smaller businesses. Want something a bit different though? Well, you can opt for your LLC to be taxed as a C corporation. This means the company itself pays corporate taxes. While it can mean more paperwork, it might suit you if you plan to reinvest the profits back into the business or go public in the near future. Or, third and finally, you can choose the S corporation status. This can offer tax benefits like avoiding double taxation on dividends, but it comes with restrictions on the number and type of shareholders. Choosing the right tax status is crucial, but can be complex. It's worth discussing this with a tax professional to really understand the nuances and implications for your specific business's situation. And just like that, you've done it. Congratulations, your Oregon LLC is officially formed. You've navigated the twists and turns of the LLC journey, from choosing a unique name to selecting the perfect tax status. As we close out this chapter now, remember that forming your LLC is just the very beginning. Ahead of you lies the adventure of growing your business, making your mark, and achieving your entrepreneurial dreams. If you found this video super helpful, then please do show us some love. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this, and turn on notifications. Your support does mean the world to us and helps us bring more videos and content just like this to aspiring entrepreneurs just like you. So stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and insights into the world of business. I'll see you on the next one.